Constraints. How does the not null constraint work? Let us review. Null is a marker used when the value does not exist, the value exists but we don't know what the value is, the value is out of range, or the value is not appropriate for this row. Nulls are shown as hyphens in the result of the select statement. If a null is returned, it means there is no value. A null is not the same as a zero, a blank, or an empty string. When testing for a specific value in the field, the result can be true or equal, false or unequal, or unknown or null. If someone talks about a null value, that is wrong because null means there is no value. In SQL, the keyword null represents a null. When setting a column to null, do not specify null between quotes, or the value will be the literal quote, NULL quote. Nulls don't belong to any data type and can be inserted into any column that allows nulls. The capacity of not allowing nulls is established by using the keywords not null in a create table column definition. This will be covered in the data definition language topic. If you don't specify a not null constraint, the column will accept nulls by default. 1 extra byte is used in the SQL file for each field that can have a null, whether the field is null or not. Please pause this presentation to study the details. Not null is a column constraint in a create table statement and cannot be a table constraint. Null is the default column constraint and is implied if it is not specified. It is best if you do not allow nulls by using not null. If a column does not have not null specified, the column accepts nulls by default. If you prevent nulls with not null, you force a value to be entered and you have better data integrity. Nulls cannot be used in a primary key because every primary key must be unique. Nulls can be in a foreign key, but it creates referential integrity problems. If a column is not associated with a primary key and it does not have not null and no value is given, a null will be set for that column. If a column is not associated with a primary key and it does not have not null, a null can be explicitly set for this column regardless of the data type. Nulls complicate the results of select, insert, and update statements. C is null, unknown values. Here is a sample create table statement with not null constraints. Again, please pause this presentation to study the details. We hope you found this information useful. Please come visit us at computerbasedtraininginc.com for courses with more examples and labs where you create and execute complete commands.